Hi, I'm Margie Holmes, psychologist, author, and educator. Many years ago, dating a single parent was scandalous and also quite puzzling. Why would anyone go out with someone who had extra baggage when there were so many single people around? Happily, we're more liberal and accepting nowadays, so dating single parents isn't such a big deal anymore. And yet, despite that, these are the answers I got when I asked, what should we remember when dating a single parent? Jan Gabriel Castañeda, never get in between the parent and his or her child. Mateo Pirante Perez, proceed with caution. You should not be introduced until the relationship is serious, as the child may be looking for a mother or father figure, and being a transient figure may fuck the kid up, even more especially if the kid ends up liking you. Tammy Tam enumerates the do's and don'ts. Do respect their time. They are busy already with work and family responsibilities. So single parents can't just drop things and go and be spontaneous all the time. Number two, do see them as a person with sexual and social needs as you would a single person with no child. Number three, do respect their privacy with their children. Number four, don't expect to be invited in the house or introduced to the child unless you'll be around for a decent while. Now, Maridel Abellanas adds to those do's and don'ts. Number one, do assume that the parent needs you to go slowly. Do assume that the children, hers, his, or yours, come first. Do assume you should have condoms because some might not want to have another kid, especially if they're 60 or 70, although I'm not an ageist, okay? Number four, don't assume that she is a desperate single mom. Don't assume that she's tigang na tigang because a lot of times they're not, okay? Number five, don't assume your sex will always be smooth running. Sometimes your sex will be what they used to call coitus interruptus. You know how it is with kids, especially young kids. Mommy, can I have a glass of water? Mommy, what are you doing? Okay? So, just accept the sex and hopefully celebrate it, no matter what it is. Or you can laugh about it. That makes you even closer. Andrew Craig Bennett, you must expect the child or children to be very jealous of anyone who takes their parents' attention away from them. This means you expect bad behavior aimed at driving you away. The children have already lost one parent, and they may be privately terrified of losing the other one. You need to be very gentle and very patient to gain the kid's trust. Bob Cootie says, the child is part of the relationship. It may, though, be easier for a child to accept a surrogate father than a surrogate mother. My father, a wonderful man, was a single parent. He married someone with 2 children. I was always a second-class citizen in the household. So sad, Bob. I'm so glad you turned out to be a wonderful man anyway. Steve Rogers says, there are societies in which being a single parent still carries a real stigma. In the Philippines, which is such a society, this, when combined with the folly of forcing young people to marry because of a pregnancy and the folly of not allowing divorce, makes things so complicated. Anonymous says, if you're dating a single dad, expect him to be more cautious. You will have to understand that chances are the kid is with the mom. So if he has the kid with him, he'll drop everything to spend lots of time with the kid. Be supportive. Tell him, go on, be a dad. He will love you for it. Of course, if the child is an adolescent or older and uses this as a way to test, your love for the child, then please be aware that this could be emotional blackmail and act accordingly, okay? Then Anonymous says, wait for the child to warm up to you. Once the kid does, you can be a friend. Don't play stepmom or stepdad until you're married to his or her dad or mom. Proceed with greater caution. If the kids are teenagers, it is harder to handle them than the more impressionable kids. May Magsino shares totally different advice that many might have wished they followed. Naku, hassle yan. Get a real single date na lang. Mas okay pa rin yung solo mo siya at solo kanya. Mahirap ang may kalahati. That's very true, May. But of course, you know, love calls you and you never know who it is. And if you're lucky, love calls you to a single non-parent. Well, that's it for today. Do you agree? Disagree with what was said? Is there an issue you feel should have been included? Well, please join in the discussion by commenting below. Also, send suggestions for future topics on Facebook, tweet using the hashtag AskMargie, or send an email to askmargie@rappler.com. See you next week.